Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about keywords and what are the rules for giving a variable name. So first let's begin with keywords. Generally keywords refers to the list of words which have fixed meaning. For example, CLS, input, print, and there are so many other keywords which have the fixed meaning. That means यो CLS को छुट्टै मिनिङ हुन्छ, इनपुट को छुट्टै मिनिङ हुन्छ, प्रिन्ट को छुट्टै मिनिङ हुन्छ र यो कीवर्ड्स को बारेमा हामी पछाडी प्रोग्रामिङ गर्दै जाँदा फेरि डिटेलली बुझ्ने छौं र अहिले जेनरली बुझ्नको लागि कीवर्ड्स भनेको चाहिँ एउटा रिजर्भ वर्ड्स हो जसको मिनिङ फिक्स हुन्छ, अलरेडी क्यूबेसिक डेभलप हुने बेलामै डिफाइन भइसकेको हुन्छ। जस्तो कि CLS refers to clear the screen and input print, they are also example of keywords which have fixed meaning. Now we are going to discuss about what are the rules for giving variable name. हामीले यो भन्दा अगाडिको भिडियोमा भेरिएबल को बारेमा, कन्स्टेन्ट को बारेमा डिस्कस गरिसकेको छौं। तपाईहरुलाई केही कन्फ्युजन छ भने त्यो भिडियो फेरि एकचोटी हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र यो भिडियोमा हामी भेरिएबल नेम कसरी दिन्छौं, भेरिएबल नेम कसरी डिफाइन गर्छौं भन्ने कुरा सिक्छौं। सो फर्स्ट रुल्स इज भेरिएबल नेम मस्ट स्टार्ट विथ alphabet. That is, first character of variable must be alphabet. You cannot give a variable name like 1A. The first character of variable must be alphabet. That is either A, B, whatever. But first character must be alphabet. That is the first rules. And second rules is you cannot give keywords as a variable name. For example, you cannot use this CLS as a variable because it is a keyword and it already has some defined meaning. So that is our second rules. And third rules is you cannot give space between the variable name. For example, if you define a variable A, B, C, this is a variable, but you cannot give space between them. A space B, C, this is not a valid variable. So there should not be any space between the variable name. That is the third rules. And you cannot use special character for variable name. For example, percentage sign, hash sign, exclamation sign and other special character. यो स्पेशल क्यारेक्टरहरु चाहिँ हामीले भेरिएबल को टाइप डिफाइन गर्नको लागि युज गर्छौं। त्यही भएर भेरिएबल को नेममा चाहिँ यो बीचमा चाहिँ यस्तो खालको क्यारेक्टरहरु हामीले युज गर्न पाउँदैन। बट यु क्यान युज अंडरस्कोर लाइक दिस। इफ यु युज A_BC then this will be valid variable, or if you use A%BC then this will be invalid variable because this is a special character. This defines the types of variable, so you cannot use symbol like this. And the variable name must be up to 40 characters. That means you cannot give variable name whose length is 41. For example, APPLE, this is also a variable, but its character should not be more than 40. It should be from 1 to 40. That is the another rules. And at the end of the variable name, you can give a special character to define the types of variable. For example, if you define ABC as a variable, at the end of this variable, you can either use $sign. This special character defines this is a string types of variable. Either you can give ABC percentage. This will define this is a regular integer variable. So these are the some rules to give the variable name. In our next video, we will learn more about QBasic.